Okay, so today we will solve one question, that is count occurrences of words in drafts. We have to find number of time each word appear in the content column across all the column in Google File Store dataset. Output two columns word and occurrences. This is the table and this is the query. I will explain this in the whiteboard. This is a recursive CTE because we want a table from 1 to 999, and as you can see we have set n as 1 and the condition is n less than 1000, so we'll get the number still 999. And we did union all to remove the duplicates. If we did not use the union, it would not give the table from 1 to 99 and it would contain the duplicates if we haven't used all. Then it comes the clean. So in this we have four parts. First is regex, then it's regex, then it's trim, and it's lower. So this is our first example. So hello world, this is SQL. So as you can see, it has white space in front of it and at the back, and it has many punctuations. So to first remove the punctuation, we will use the regex replace with the punctuation, and as you can see it is removed. Then after that, now you can see we have multiple spaces, so we'll group them in one space. So that would be hello world, this is SQL sentence, doesn't change. So now you can see we have white space at the front and at the back. So to remove that, we use trim hello world, this is SQL. So and last, to convert to lowercase, hello world, this is SQL. So we got the lowercase version. And yes, so first this, then this, then this, and then this. The outer one is the last, the most inner one is the first. And now this is one difficult to understand, but it's not that difficult with examples. So let's say our example is hello world, hello SQL. So in the first query, it will take hello, hello world, hello world, hello, and hello world, hello SQL as the n increment. And with the substring index, it will take the last word only. So hello will become hello, hello world will become world, hello world, hello will become hello, and hello world, hello SQL will become SQL. And count space and add 1 to get the number of words. So in this we did this will gives us the total length, and this will remove the space, so we don't have any space. So my doing this calculation will get the number of words, and n less than this, it would map the word with the n indexes. So n1 would be the first, n2 will be the second, and when the words are mapped, we will group the words and will count how many number of times they have occurred in our data set, and then we'll order by descending. So I hope it was clear. Let me show you the solution also. Yes, it's solved, and I would highly encourage you to do this with one of the example given here. I took these example so that the video is short and it's easier for you to understand, and from next time it would be much more clear. I don't usually use pen tab, so that's why writing is little messed up. And yes, thank you. I hope it was clear. And I know this is a little bit hard question considering this and this, and what I did, I used recursive till n less than 1000, but this is not the best way, because what if we don't know how many content we have. It would be more than 1000 or 10,000, we don't know. So for that we could use a JSON table. So that would be select word count all as occurrence from Google file store, and we'll make one JSON table. And group by word, order by occurrences. So we made one JSON table. In this we concatenate the sentence we got and the words by the list. So let's say it was hello, my name is. So that would become hello, my name is. So that we have a list of words, and when we do column and word text path JT, so we get the count of all the words present in the list, and we group by the output by words, and then we count the occurrences in descending order. And here is the execution of this query. We made one error. What is that error? Okay, yes, it works. So I hope it was clear. The first method was brute force and this one is JSON. And if you didn't understand the first part, it would be a little bit hard to understand this part also. And it would be better if you know about JSON. Yes, thank you. I hope it was clear.